In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom pop-up banner in Wix. Let's get started inside the Wix editor. Once your site is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the small plus icon. This is the button you use to add new elements to your page. Go ahead and click that plus sign. When you do, a long menu of options will slide out, showing different types of content you can add, like text, images, and more. From that menu, look for the section labeled Interactive. This is where Wix keeps elements that respond to your visitors' actions, such as hoverboxes, lightboxes, and pop-ups. Click on Interactive to open that category. You should now see a collection of interactive designs and layouts you can choose from. Next, browse through the options and select a layout that works as a pop-up banner. You might see lightboxes or pre-designed pop-up styles here. Choose one that suits the purpose of your banner, whether it's for a promotion, a newsletter sign-up, or an important announcement. When you click on it, Wix will add that interactive element to your page, usually centered on the screen. Once it appears on your canvas, select it again so you can customize it. At this stage, you can edit the text, change colors, swap out images, and adjust the size to match your site's branding. Take a moment to clean up the content so it clearly communicates your message. Keep it short and focused, since pop-ups work best when they're simple and easy to read. Now, with the pop-up selected, look for the option called Set Triggers. Click on Set Triggers to control when and how this banner appears to your visitors. This is one of the most important parts because it determines the user experience. After clicking, follow the on-screen prompts. Wix will guide you through choices like whether the pop-up shows automatically when someone lands on the page, after a certain time delay, when they click a specific button, or maybe when they scroll to a certain point. Read each option carefully and pick the trigger behavior that best fits your goal. For example, a discount offer might appear after a few seconds, while a sign-up form might appear when a visitor tries to leave the page. When you're done setting up the triggers, it's time to test the result. Click on Preview at the top right of the Wix editor. In preview mode,